What's up guys, welcome back to my channel for another edition of catching up on K-pop. So before getting into the reaction etc, I just would like to add something real quick because it seems like a lot of you guys don't know what I post on my community tab. So basically on my channel, you know, you have like the videos, the playlist, etc, and you have a community tab, and this is basically where I will be posting like the list of the videos that I react to, and you know, basically anything that is related to my channel I leave there so that I can keep you guys updated on videos, on upcoming videos, etc. So anything that is related to the catching up on K-pop videos I put there, so I will be requesting you guys to leave your request under the post on my community tab, etc. So everything is going on over there. Another thing real quick, I don't usually do that, but make sure to have the notification bell on because I've read a lot of comments requesting me a music video which I have already reacted to, and that it has been on my channel for a few days already. If you don't want to miss out on my videos, make sure you have the notification bell on. And now with that being said, let's get into the first part of this catching up on K-pop. So there is actually a lot of music video that I wanted to react to personally, and I've seen also a lot of you guys' suggestions. And first of all, thank you as always for leaving me so many suggestions because it allows me to expand my knowledge of K-pop a little bit. In today's video there are groups like Nature and Golden Child which I have never really checked out before, so it is really like an opportunity for me to get to know more groups and just music in general, you know, so yeah, thank you. Alright, so in today's video I will be doing, wait, let me just say it correctly because there are a lot. So in today's video there will be the Boyz, Nature, One Team and TXT, and in tomorrow's part there will be Golden Child, IU, Itinhyuk, Into It. There you go. If you want to skip to one particular music video, here are the timestamps for you guys. And now with that being said, let me start with the Boyz. So from what I understand, Tattoo is actually a Japanese debut release, but they have actually like a Korean version as well. It looks like this is going to be one of those concepts which I really enjoy, so I'm really happy. On top of that, Tattoo, I am tattooed, you know, like I love tattoos, so I feel compelled to liking this already. Anyways, I have put the captions on there, just go ahead. Also, there is no Hwal in this music video. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe he left before this. Hell yeah! Oh, okay. Oh! Oh, he kind of looks like Chino with this blonde hair like that. This is my favorite rap from them. Hey! Ooh! Oh! You know what? It kind of gives me, visually speaking, it reminds me a little bit of NCT Limitless, for example. Oh, the dance! Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I love the dance. Oh my god, yes. Is any of them tattooed? Like, actually tattooed? Because, like, I've seen pictures of a member having a tattoo, but we don't know if it's real or not. Hey, that's so cool. Ooh. Oh, he looks great. I mean, they look great. I say that every time, but damn. I don't know. Alright. Hey. There's a high note coming. Oh, even better. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. That was smooth as hell. Hey. Love that. Healing of a long pic. Oh, that, yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is. Oh, yes. Oh, why is it in Japanese at the end? Holy fuck! My brain just got twisted, like... Okay, so the last line of the song is actually in Japanese. That is so freaking cool. It's like they're hinting at their Japanese... The version, look like the Japanese version of this song. Ah, that is so cool. This is actually one... I think their superior song in terms of execution. This is superior, basically. Weirdly enough, every time I watch them, I get reminded of how amazingly talented they are, but it seems like in between, when I'm not really reacting to them or whatever, I kind of forget that they are so freaking talented. I don't know for what reason. I'm sorry about this, by the way, but it also allows me to get impressed every time I react to them. Like, the vocals in here are amazing, but above everything else, the rap impressed me so much. And this is the first time, compared to all of their songs that I have reacted to or that I've listened to, you know, the rap parts in this song are incredible. This one goes hard. It's so well executed. The delivery is amazing. Like, I'm impressed, alright? The vocals also are amazing. I freaking love the dance. One of the elements that I freaking love about them is that because there are so many members, the formation of the dance is just genius. Like, it allows them to create moving yeah, it's a dance, so it's moving, yeah, but just a moving story, you know, like the dance goes along with the story, like in the lyrics and the song. It's very much like 17. When 17 is dancing, they are also telling the story of the song along with the dance, so it kind of felt like that here as well. I love this. The music video, like the vibe of the music video, as I said during the reaction, is, it reminds me of Limitless of NCT, you know, a little bit of the clothes reminds me a little bit of this, also how it was recorded, how the music video was produced and everything. It gave me that NCT vibe, and I love it. Honestly, I'm not complaining. I freaking love this. So I would say this is not like their most beautiful music video, because No Air or like Dance Dance Test were more, I think you could say they are more K-pop like music video, whereas this one is a bit more toned down. It looks like it's more for the Japanese market. Like the music video, I'm just talking about the music video, but like, I don't know, there's a clear difference between their Korean music videos and their Japanese music video, if that makes sense. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Anyways, let's go to Nature now. Nature, as I said at the beginning, is not a group I'm familiar with at all. Don't get me wrong, I've seen their names here and there, I've seen them pop up in my recommendation, but they never really grabbed my attention. So I never really clicked on them, or like, I don't know, there was nothing that was really compelling me to actually go and discover them. But it's also because I have so many groups that I'm already studying that, I don't know, I'm scared of liking more and more groups, basically. So yeah, Nature, this is called Oopsie My Bad. Well, let's just go ahead. I checked, there are no English captions, just Korean. Oh. So is it like whimsical, magical, witchcraft? Oh. Oh. One-way music. What? Oopsie daisy? Their outfits kind of gives me like a Alice in Wonderland vibe. She's pretty. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, they're pretty. rap what? Oopsie daisy. Okay. Okay. Okay, I did not see that coming. That was... It kind of like... Wait, I'm so intrigued. Oh, cool. It's like... It's kind of like I'm in a club right now. So yeah, the Alice in Wonderland theme is pretty much there, yeah. Hey, I love the sets though. Hey. I love the outfits too. Oh, that's so pretty, yes. Oh, sweet. Okay, vocals, right? That was the rapper, no? That just did that. Okay. Oh, I love the outfits. They're so pretty. Ooh. Hey. It's like the concept doesn't fit the song, or like vice versa. I'm so confused. Okay. I honestly can't tell if I like it or not. I think this is very much like a... It kind of reminds me of how I felt during ITZY's music, or like Zimzalabim almost as well. It's like you don't expect it, but you can't tell if it's good or bad. I mean, personally, I really enjoy ITZY's music because of the lyrics. Here I didn't have the lyrics, so I can't really tell what it is about. Zimzalabim is still till this day a song which I cannot tell if I like it or not, but I enjoy it very much. Which is like another aspect to music, you know, like you can't tell if you like it or not, but you can definitely enjoy it. But that's another story. Here I'm conflicted because this is definitely not the type of music that I would reach out for, and that is my favorite, but I could see myself enjoying it, if that makes sense. There's a slight difference between liking a song and enjoying it. At the moment I can't tell if I like it or enjoy it, or neither, you know what I mean? Like, it's like I was not expecting it. It's intriguing. I really like the music video, how the sets are so colorful and so different. It's very dynamic as well, how they edited the music video. I love the outfits, the girls are really pretty as well. I feel like the song didn't really let the vocals shine that much. The raps, however, were pretty great, like they were highlighted pretty well. I liked it. I'm trying to be like critical but also very objective because I don't know of them, so I can compare it to one of their past songs or whatever. Again, I think I'm gonna just wrap this one up by saying that I don't know if I like it or not, but I really like the music video. I think I could give it another try and see how I feel about it, but at the very moment, I can't tell. I'm just like, okay, next up is One Team. One Team I have reacted already on my channel. Yeah, I have reacted to their first song. And this one is apparently a more mature concept, which you already know I really enjoy. Like, ever since they debuted, they have shown a different side of them already. Like, the first one was very much like not K-pop. The second one was more K-pop already. It was one of your like summery song type of thing. And here, I guess we're really going to get into like the K-pop concept, you know. I don't know. This is called Make This. I'm gonna try. Yeah, there are the captions. So let's just go ahead. Oh. 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 Oh, hell yeah. Oh, I love it. Ooh. See, this already just screams K-pop. Oh, ooh. Yeah. That's right. Oh, yes. I love this voice. Oh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I knew something was coming. Yes. Hey. I mean, compared to their two past songs, this screams K-pop. The music video, the outfits, the song. Yes. Are the dancers blindfolded? Oh, that's so cool. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes. Hey. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I love this. Hey. I love this like futuristic extraterrestrial. I love his voice. Hey, I love this. Oh, they're clones? This is so different, but I love it. I think it's the first time as well there's that much choreography. Correct me if I'm wrong, but like, hey, alright. Oh, yes. Ooh. It's one of the songs where you just want to like, hey, you know? And then when the chorus drops, like, oof. That's beautiful though. Damn. Alright. You know, I love that one group is able to showcase so much diversity in such a short amount of time. Like they debuted was it this year? I remember reacting to them. I mean I'm pretty sure it's this year, but correct me if I'm wrong again. I think being able to showcase so many styles and genre and concept in 3 comebacks is very great. It shows that they are capable of diversity. They are talented enough to do all of them. This one, first frame, it's K-pop. K-pop has such like a distinct visual aspect to it. Like the sets, the way it is produced, the way the accessories are implemented, the makeup, the outfits, it just screams K-pop to me. And I really liked it. It's so like soft and groovy during the verses and everything, and the chorus drops in like boom. And it switched the vibes, and then the transition back to the more slow-paced verse is amazing. I love the rappers. Like, their voices are so incredible in this, and since it is like a more slow-paced song, it allows them to be more like suave with their voices and everything. I freaking love this. I feel like I keep on saying this, but ONETEAM is also one of those rookie group. Granted, they haven't been that long into the industry, but they are often forgotten when you talk about, you know, like rookies of this year, or like, yeah, rookies of this year. The first ones that will pop to your mind is not ONETEAM necessarily. Like, you would have ATEEZ or like AB6 or like X1, ITZY, Everglow, groups like those who are nominated to the awards, for example. But then again, you have groups like Only One Off or like ONETEAM, who also debuted this year, ONEUS as well, who debuted this year and who are less well known, I would say. Still, they're still doing great, but I feel like sometimes they're a little bit overlooked, you know. But and I think it's a shame, because at the end of the day, they are as talented as the other groups I've mentioned earlier. And I really hope that in the near future, they will gather more fans and like more of a bigger audience, because this is the type of music they are giving people, you know, and it's of quality. So yeah, I think people are missing out, and I guess I will finish by saying stop sleeping on them. Alright, and finally TXT. Holy crap, this one is a 13-minute video. It's like, I don't know if my mind has the actual attention span to be able to understand whatever is going to be happening, especially because I'm not that aware of their concept in general. Like, I've read in the comments, you know, what it is about, but it's just like an overview of their concept. So I'm gonna apologize immediately now if I don't understand and I seem very dumb and completely lost, because I will probably. So I'm so sorry for this, but anyways, this is actually one of the songs from their album. I have listened to it only once, so I can't like remember what song it was. I have the captions on, let's just go ahead. Oh god, it feels like, oh. Alright. It's like literally watching a small movie, right? 13 minutes. Oh, I just realized the trees are fucked up. 연습 실. Oh, so that part we don't have English subs. Okay. I don't know what's happening because I can't read. So this is a direct... Is this like the continuation of Runaway? He's waking up in the subway. Yeah, seen it coming. But all the members are there. Yeah, okay. So the beginning feels like a mix of a fairy tale and a drama. I'm into it. So like there are captions, but like there are no translation for this. Okay. I love how they are in the same chat room, like chatting, like talking to each other, but you guys are in the same area. But okay. So they're talking about something that happened in the classroom? Something scary? I feel so frustrated not being able to like grasp what the situation is. Congratulations. Is he gonna steal that? Oh, alright. You have the iPhone 11 though. Why are you stealing that? Is that the iPhone 11? I don't know. Whatever that is. So he just offered the boys to go somewhere, but I don't know where. Boy. I'm just kind of like grasping a few words and... Oh, is that a portal? It's like a countdown. I'm so intrigued. Right. It's like a portal. Ah, yes! Oh my god. It feels like I'm watching an anime. With the drums and everything. Oh my god, yes. It looks like an anime opening. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Ooh, that gives me BTS. But okay, I love that. They arrived. Oh, that's so cool. I love how you feel like you are with them through this whole thing. I'm so intrigued. Damn. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, 비밀. Oh, Secret Island. Is that what it meant? The second part? Oh, that is so beautiful. So is that the same path that they took during Runaway? When they opened the door? Oh my god. I feel like so many things are intertwined that I don't understand. Right. Of course. That's how every like scary movie starts, you know? Okay, I remember the song. Alright. That's beautiful. Oh, that was a match? Oh! Okay, I didn't get that. Alright. Oh my god, wait, is that how... He was hurt in Runaway, no? Like, oh. So was that prior to Runaway? Oh my god, I'm so... No, do I remember that song? I don't remember. It's like they're sensing a danger, and I want to feel calm with the song and everything, but that... Did he really just bring fireworks? Okay. What? Fuck school. That's just... There's something about fireworks that just makes any type of scene so beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. This shot is gorgeous. See, I'm not at ease with them reacting that way. Oh, that's so cool. Was that a reflection of someone in the water? Oh boy, no, that gave me chills. No. Ooh, wait, I don't... like my stomach kind of going. Oh my god, that is adorable. Why does he have his shoe on a stick? Honey. Oh, that is adorable, baby. I don't like that island actually, like... Something's not right. See? You don't trust no secret island. No. Oh, and the freaking subway thing just burned? Or like, what is it? Their way back burned? No, what is it? Okay, this is giving me anxiety. Like... No. Is that the subway? I mean, this train, whatever that is. Is that the way back? The use of just the instruments, it's kind of like building the anxiety up. That genius though, but there's something very sinister about this, about the use of instrument like that. Oh, is that a whoa. Oh, okay. I hate... Wait, what? No. They heard a voice. Remember my name. What name? Whoa. I don't know. That was a roller coaster of emotion. However, I feel like this was so well produced, edited, and that way you just feel very immersed into the music video. Like usually when I watch a music video, I tend to just stay on the surface of it, right? I just point out the few obvious things, such as like the sets, how the video is edited, but like very slightly. I touch up on this very slightly. I don't go into details. However, this type of music video just makes me want to go much into detail and go much deeper. You know, it's that type of music video. I mean, yeah, it is an official music video, but to me, it's kind of like a story. It's the same type of music video as One Shot, for example. Was it One Shot of BAP, which was also a 13-15 minutes music video. Because the music video is so long, they are able to showcase a variety of sets, of storyline, and that's why you feel so immersed in it, because you feel like you are one of the protagonists with them. The way they presented this, you felt as if you were there with them, leaving that. It's kind of like you're by their side during the whole music video. You are discovering the island at the same time as they are, etc, etc. However, because I didn't get the you know, the writing parts, I kind of feel like I'm missing big chunks of important information. Like at the end, I managed to understand a few words, but like it's just assumptions. I don't have the correct translation, so I feel like I'm missing big parts of what would allow me to understand it a little bit clearer, not fully, but a little bit more better. So I don't know. I really enjoyed watching this. There's so much to see. There's so much to feel, and I guess there's a lot to say too. But because I'm so confused, I can't say much other than what I've said. The use of the instruments was very good. It's kind of like building this whole thing up. And then there's this freaking dragon at the end that is coming out of nowhere. So again, there's an unexpected element there that, what the fuck? So as I said previously when I reacted to them, is that they have a very specific universe, and I haven't grasped it fully yet. Like, I am starting to get into them because I am curious and intrigued by it, but it seems like the universe is their universe. It's so much more broad than what I had anticipated, and that scares me a little bit. But that's a me problem, really. That was very interesting to watch, honestly. Yeah, that's great. Anyway, that is it for me. So in tomorrow's video, as I said at the very beginning, there will be Golden Child, Into It, IU and Lee. So yeah, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.